Imagine a world where you can predict the future. What if you could know the outcome of a presidential election, the next big stock market trend, or even anticipate your favorite team's performance in the next season? No, this isn't about crystal balls or fortune tellers, but rather a field that is revolutionizing the way we make decisions. Welcome to the world of data science. Data science, in the simplest terms, is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles designed to uncover hidden patterns from raw data. It's like a detective solving a mystery, but instead of clues, they use data. Think of data as a vast, unexplored ocean. Each piece of data is a droplet in that ocean. On its own, a droplet may not tell you much, but when you start to analyze millions, even billions of these, a pattern begins to emerge. That pattern is like a map, guiding you to make informed decisions. That's the essence of data science. Output. Now you might be wondering, why does data science matter? Well, consider this. Every minute, we generate around 1.7 megabytes of new information per person. That's like creating 2 books worth of information every second. With that much data, we need sophisticated tools and methods to make sense of it all. Breaking down complex data into understandable insights is a bit like cooking a complex meal. You start with raw ingredients, which are your raw data. Your cooking methods are your algorithms, transforming these raw ingredients into something edible. The final dish is your insight, a tasty morsel of information that's easy to digest. Data science is not just about numbers and equations. It's about asking the right questions. From predicting disease outbreaks to optimizing business operations, the applications of data science are virtually limitless. It's a tool that empowers us to make better decisions and understand the world around us. So what have we learned today? First, data science is about finding patterns in data. It's a bit like being a detective or a chef using tools and methods to uncover insights. Second, data is everywhere, and we're generating more of it every second. That's why data science is so important. And finally, data science is not just about math. It's about asking the right questions and using data to find the answers. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of data science. Remember, the future is not set in stone, it's written in data.